right, 100% talent Jamaica. You know what they are right now, you know, it's another week for all contestants. You know, we're just sending artists out there right now, moving them to another level. I just want to big up all the judges right now, you know what I mean? Big up man like our general, one of our judges, you know what I mean? Big up Nero Malisha, of one of our judges also. And Bruce himself is sitting around there, you know, as a judge. So 100% talent Jamaica. Hopefully to have a wonderful day today. And you don't know, I'm your host, $1 Million Voice. So we're moving on to our first performer. Bibadan, make your way to center stage. Make your way to center stage, Bibadan. We're going to introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world.
Yeah, man, this is Bibadan, the skiller one. Dan solid cornerstone, you see me? From here, the voice, you don't know Bibadan, the skiller one. Yeah, hear me, Jamaica? Make sure clean and not put it in your mouth. You know, see, say Corona the boat. She a knock a late all boat. East not west touch. She no afraid she a roam all boat. Anyway, you turn sanitizer for the pants loop. What you mean by you left it in your house? You know, see, say clothes and shoes and blinks played out. Now a glove mask sanitizer run road. Come listen to me. If you don't know the code COVID-19, but we can't touch the road. Sneeze in a public, you get a broad board. You end up down a public. If you cough cold. Arcade, walk on downtown. If you're not shout food, do not bother make a sound. Close price rapidly, going to the ground. Alcohol at Fendi who's trendy now. No girl no bad like Corona. No Kim nor no Stacy, no Chef nor no Sonia. She say she come fit take over. Say she not run no joke like her brother Ebola. She love free prep and demand them, but she love when demand them a 60 and older. Yes, her at go like a soda. And enough like she take enough, she fling in a coma. Look, but don't touch. Yeah, you can't heal, but no come close up. 12 feet, no 1 foot. And if you can't manage, well, I one crutch.
Alright, be my dad, big of yourself. Hey, me I tell you right now, this contestants, yeah, I go on, you know, differently, you know, like, yes, Jap, but we see said the song new one. You know, what going on. Alright, so started our first judge. Hey, Bruce. What go on? What do you think about this performance, this music is dropping? Nobody no better than Corona.
Yeah, man, everything up with the artist. I listen lyrics, the lyrics important and thing. You understand? Just want brush up some more for NSYNC with the rhythm same way, you know? But as far as it go for the audition, I'm good to go, you see me?
Alright, so it's a good look. Big up yourself. Bruce, Nero Malisha.
Alright, so the same thing for me. I like the lyrics. The lyrics have a lot of messages in it. You understand? But stage performance for me, not utilizing the stage itself. Right, and the mere fact say you forget, you're not supposed to make people notice say you forget. You understand? That's one of the things them notorious thing that we have to look on when you have the stage performance. If you forget your line, find something else and do, or rock and just dance or something, and show off people so they don't realize you actually forget the line. But it's a go for me said way. You understand? Because the willpower for you to come back and sing again. Big up.
Respect Nero Malisha for the words of advice. Our general.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, my artist. Give thanks for being a part of 100% talent show. You see me, I deal with. You can't say you're a talented artist. You can't say you're a bad DJ. You see me? The topic where you touch, very creative. You see me, I deal with sanitizer, Corona, you know, a time. You see me? A them thing they are going right now. You overs when I deal with. You just could have delivered better. You see me, I deal with, I'm say, it's just preparation needed. The overs that I deal with, so you prepare better, you see where you go forward out and forward out better. You see me, I deal with, so just preparation. And we look forward to see where you are forward with next week. Your overs, so manners and respect, my general.
Alright, big man, big up yourself. You don't know. Yeah, all the viewers, you know, make sure you put in the votes as a contestant. So, big man, good one from him. You don't know. Moving on to another contestants right now. 100% talent Jamaica. Major Jackson, make your way to center stage. Major Jackson. Hey, the girl them like that singer, yeah, you know. Major. I wonder what you are for this week. Major Jackson.
Yeah, I'm going to one nice little Dennis Brown when I love seeing. Bruce, big up yourself. Nero, Arrow, and all contestants, big respect. Selector, big respect. Look at the tune there, and I have no time for waves. Should I? Should I? Should I have faith in you? And should I put my trust in you? And should you let me down? Now should I float around? Now why should I think this way? Just thinking that you're going away. For there ain't no way to stay together anymore. Am I to go on now, living this way? Acting like a child so young and happy. You don't know what it means to be loved. You don't know how it feels to be young. Oh no, no, oh no, hey. And I won't come down on you with lightning, brimstone or fire, 'cause in my heart that isn't what I require. And my desire is for you to be true and strong. And maybe someday we'll get to know just where you went wrong. Am I to go on now, living this way? Acting like a child so young and happy. You don't know what it means to be loved. No, you don't know how it feels to be young. Oh no, no, oh no, no. You don't know. No, you don't know what it means to be loved. You don't know. You don't know what it means to be young. Oh no, no.
Great singer, Major Jackson. Hey, thank you for that one. You know what I mean? Hey, man, find a big one on in our general. So starting with our first judge, our general.
Major Jackson, for your phone here, get low though. Overs. Well, we don't know, so when it comes on to vocals, Major Jackson is one of the best in this competition to grace us with his vocals. You see me I deal with, so we're fully confident and believing in Major Jackson when he forward on to vocals, you see me? But me think Major Jackson get comfortably, you know. You overs when I deal with, because you don't know. You see me? Them when your vocal speak for itself, you see me? But me personally, like the original Major Jackson songs them.
Yeah.
You see me I deal with. So you don't know, with that said is a 7, you see me? Early.
Yes, Major. Sound good as usual, you know? Nothing wrong with the performance at all. But like what Arrow said, I have to agree with Arrow. I love the original them. You understand? And you know I follow all of your work, the man thing. The song sound good and all. You understand? But if I give one 10, I have to give one 9. Right? So just because I don't want to hear original. And at them they will want for a show about.
Alright, thank you for that, Bruce. Nero Malisha.
Big artist, man, said we, you know. But as I said, we need more of your materials, and you know, I mean, I go forever cuss for that, you know. You know what I mean? So big up yourself, Major Jackson, me give you a 9 also, you see me? Big up yourself.
Alright, thank you for that, Nero Malisha. 100% talent, Jamaica. Major Jackson singing for Jamaica on the wall. Hey, big up yourself, my boss. Moving on to another contestant right now. Yeah. Hey, Natty Beach. Natty Beach, make your way to center stage. Wagwan Natty Beach. Yeah, you're using the instrument for us today?
Yeah, me I go on a little guitar with him, and a little sing on the track.
Okay, so you're using the instrument today. Alright, so you're singing and you're using the instrument at the same time?
No, really. Me I just play a rhythm with the guitar, and then make it tone man play call it earth.
Alright, so Natty Beach is here for you, ready up for this performance, alright? Yes, Natty Beach. Let's do this right now. 100% talent, Jamaica. Natty Beach.
Bless up. Cali herb. Cali herb. Cali herb. Cali herb. Cali herb. Sensimilla, marijuana, lamb spread. High grade in me head make me sweet. Cali herb, sensimilla, marijuana, lamb spread. High grade in me head make me nice. Nano herb in your head, you drunk. Nano herb in your head, you kinky. Like a romadic who smell the rum and tumble down a roadside. Say rain come wet him, breeze come blow him. Say sun come burn him. Come around and kick him like old pan a roadside. Pass me the chillung pipe, yeah. Let me load up coach and give Jah blessing. Lead me from temptation, deliver me from evil. Be merciful to me, oh Jah. Let me draw a chillung pipe, cut the light, cut the bus and grit to fly. In my moral intellect, in the pinnacle of my head top. Cali herb gone, way upstairs. Hey, be careful what you see, or you walk, or you talk, mind your own business. Your serve is the healing of the nation. Boy, Cali herb, sensimilla, marijuana, lamb spread. I grade in on me head, make me sweet. Cali herb, sensimilla, marijuana, lamb spread. I grade in on me head, make me nice. Me use it dry tea, me use it in a rice and peas and beans too. Me use it in a roots, the music make pants and shirt, blouse and skirt. Kiss me neck on the white market, on the brown market, on the black market. Them use it spiritually, them use it religiously. So herbs are versatile, it must be the healing of the nation. Boy, hey. Cali herb, sensimilla, marijuana, lamb spread. I grade in on me head, make me sweet. Cali herb, sensimilla, marijuana, lamb spread. I grade in on me head, make me nice. Cali herb.
Hey, big up Natty Beach, me I tell you, hey, now make sure you now listen clean what the man are saying, the man are sing about the herbs. You know what I mean? Alright, moving on to our first judges, Nero Balisha. What you think about Natty Beach performance just now? Yeah, kick a fool like your job, sir.
Jano, so, you know, say, for me still, Jano, it's all about the presentation, you know what I mean? And, but I quite remember what them call it. It's like a revival or something. But yeah, I like him presentation. Always simple and humble and come out and sing. The message them for me, you know. So yeah, I don't know. I give him a straight 9 because he always keep people eyes locked. You see me I say? He always seem to captivate the crowd and thing, which is it's a great thing as a musician. And get the guitar first and thing. Yeah. So yeah, it's a 9 for me still. Man.
Very talented. Thank you for that, Nero Malisha. Yes, Bruce.
Yeah, man, Natty Beach. You know, we always look out for that extended guitar performance. Then we finally get it. You understand? Yeah, so we feel good about that. But we then expect that James Brown split there at the end still. You know? So, yeah, wicked piece of performance. So me give you a big old 9 right there. So you understand?
100% talent Jamaica going on good enough. What go on? Alright, General.
Yo,
think I'm going over here saying,
yeah, yo, Vaz. Natty Beach, big up yourself. You know it's always entertaining when Natty Beach touches the stage. You see me I deal with. You know, more ask one question. What type of artist is Natty Beach? What type of artist you be, my general? A singer?
Answer.
DJ, what type of artist?
You know, I say sing the poetry.
No, cause here why we meeting. Natty Beach is a dub poet, you know. Yo, Vaz, when me I deal with. Me feel like you's a dub poet and you really a show a dub poet cause even upon the rhythm more time you're on and more time you're off. But because you's a dub poet it just sound like you're flowing on the rhythm and you're just speaking but you're doing it with melody. You see me I deal with. So me think you can adjust being more creative as a dub poet. You overs, you can play your guitar same way, same thing but I think you feel go hard with the dub poet, you see me? So with that said we don't give you a 7 same way, you see me?
Big up yourself, words of advice from all the judges. Yeah! Hey, I tell you, the talent show active right now. It's so excited. Alright, so we're moving on to another contestant right now. I think these contestants is coming to dance right now. They go by the name of Empty Dancers. MT dancers, are you ready? Make your way to center stage, MT dancers. 100% talent, Jamaica. Hey, Mr. Cheer, I roll out and all of them something, you know. So more have you know what go on here, so. All right. You ready, MT? Okay. All right, here you go.
Yay. Boss. No, that can't work. Go on with it. Go on with it. To us, yeah. So we are gonna leave with a blessings and a even horizon. We have to give thanks like we're really supposed to be thankful.
TT.
Oh, God, oh,
I love that, my G. I love it. I love it. I love
I just
it.
saw me at work on stills. I don't know.
I love it, man. But guess what now?
Yeah.
A big thing just about to my G. But you know the shots go already, you know. We have to remain humble. You see it? Because we want to rise and boast.
Speaking of rice and boast, so we give them a piece of the toast in our own language, brother.
But we show them a language now.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it.
Yo, is it? Are you kidding me?
Toast, yeah. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends that take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored then only said the road and me go on with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing, and you know it formed out to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic say I sing, yeah, see me all diggy soon get the higher ring like hello brother. You say I had to shot ya, saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shot to can't ball in a life man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right.
All right, very entertaining. MT dancers. Hey, big up on yourself, entertaining Jamaica and the world right now. May I tell you, 100% talent, Jamaica. Hey, this is what's going on. See the dancer them, they are entertaining, you know. So to make sure to keep the votes coming in, all right? Make sure you look for the favorite contestants and put in the vote for them. All right, MT dancers, our general. Hey, let us start with you.
Yeah, big up MT dancers. Very entertaining. Love the routine. Love everything. Go on. You see me, I love the intro on the start it out. You know what I mean? Writing the song and forward on. Yeah, very entertaining. But yo, boss, the choreography should have been a bit more tighter. I think at most of the points, certain people, one I move faster than one I move slower than one. In most of the choreography, you see me? And I just that are the problem to me. It should have been just a bit more tighter. You over the me. Yeah, so with that said, a 7. Same way.
Alright, thank you for that, our general. Yes, Nero Balisha. Are they keeping you entertaining over there? Nero.
Alright, so for me, still, I like the whole dramatic characteristics about what them just do a while ago, you see me? I think it is creative. You understand? But same thing like Ara said, it was obvious. It was obvious, you know? So with that said, we give them an 8. Same way. Because we want to see them back in the competition again. Yeah, so I'm going to give them an 8 for that. I would say that spend some more times doing dancing together so they can be more simultaneously, isn't it? Yeah.
Alright, thank you, Nero Malisha. Yes, bros. Are they keeping you entertaining over there?
Like I gave it a 9 first before me were coming, right? So we have a 9 then. Building up on the energy, look like we need a bigger stage. You understand? And we have to welcome Tajin to the competition. Long time I wait for your dance partner, you know? So, that 9 day for the encouragement to further yourself in a show. But just tighten up on the synchronization right there, so, and we're good to go.
Alright, out there in Jamaica and the world, if you think them doing good and entertain you all, remember to put in the vote. Empty dancers. Alright, 100% talent Jamaica. Moving on to another contestant right now. Yeah, I think this female is going to sing first. Tyresha.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. Ooh, no it ain't, no it ain't, no. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me, I know. I'm gonna sip on my drinks when I'm messed up. Should've known what to pick up. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while you push up against me. Ooh, and you tipsy. I had enough combo for 24. Oh, I beat it from across the room. Pretty little body just like go, ayy. And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Why not? A little good time, never hurt nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not somebody. And you are like the girl, and I'm so sorry. I gotta give it to you like we ain't no marriage. Oh, like we ain't no marriage. Not now, I'ma tell nobody. You on your levels too. Tryna do what lovers do. I'm feeling like I'm fresh off booties. If you ain't gonna drum, I got the ooshies. Shit the whole crew to the cruise ship. Doing things never seen move. Ride with me, bones. I got a heartache, but your hat's off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pull up a billion cash with a blink on it. And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Ooh, why not? A really good time, never hurt nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not. Are you like the girl that I'm girl, so sorry. I gotta give it to you like we ain't no marriage. Oh, like we ain't no marriage. Not now, I'ma tell nobody. You want your levels too. Tryna do what lovers do.
Yes, Tyresha, big up yourself. I see you came out. Yeah, surprising all judges right now. I don't know what them have to say about me. I'm gonna move over to them differently still. Nero Balisha started with you. Tyresha.
Alright, so you know what surprised me? Normally when Tyresha sing, she would have never ever moved. The only part of her body will move when she sing her eye. Nowhere else. No. If you see Tyresha behave, so I have to say big up to Marjorie Sedway. And I can't see him to pronounce her name. Tajan, Titi. You understand? So they motivate her and them the other folks. You know, them have her in her comfort zone and I see she move and thing. Even though I like hear your personal song them still. You see me? But at the first I can actually earn a 9 just like that from me. And it's based on you being in your comfort zone and start to project your voice. But I hear say now sing out your throat again. You understand? So big up yourself. 9 that there.
Thank you for that, Nero Balisha. Yes, our general. Tyresha, they are sing food, you know. Jamaica and the world. What you have to say?
Yeah. Tyresha, big up yourself, my singer. You know you are one of our singer them from the competition starting now. We love to see you get more comfortable on stage performing and singing. You see me I deal with me say you get more comfortable. You see me? But me personally, I not think that song they do any just. You see me? I not think that song there because it have more like DJing and a faster pace. It challenges your vocal, your breath control. You see me? So I not think that song they did you just. You get me? I think you should choose a better song. You see me? But with that said, that's 6 me give. You see me?
Alright, that is our general opinion. We could move over to the new judge, Bruce.
Yes,
new judge.
Tyresha. You finally come out of your shell. You understand? We've been asking for that for many weeks right now. So, I'm not disappointed in any way. We love your originals, you understand? But your performance did justice a while ago. You understand? We don't expect only the volume, but we actually get movement and dance and attitude and all of that. So I have to give you a big bad 10. You understand? There's no way around it.
Alright, thank you for that, bro. So you mean, pick up yourself, Tyreesha, good one. And them say you come out of your shelf, you know. The shell. Yeah, them say you come out of the shell. Oh my God! You know what I mean? So pick up yourself. And great singing from you. Hey, I open the vote for she. Cause she's singing for you. You know it go already, you know. You get the answer. Alright, 100% talent Jamaica. Hey, this female she got hard the week before. I wonder what she came in with this week. Carry on Brown. Make your way to center stage. 100% talent Jamaica. Hey, she look excited. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Alright, just do this, you know. Make sure you win it, you know. Shellings.
To me, oh, I got things to say. Hey, I'm talking to you. We got things to do. We got plans to make. And I wanna take you with me. Yeah, I wanna take you with me. Have you told me, oh, I got things to say. Hey, I'm talking to you. We got things to do. We got plans to make. And I wanna take you with me. Yeah, I wanna take you with me. But a far off gaze is the one in me. Can you feel it? And if you can tell, I'm a restless girl. What are you hearing? Back it all away, back it all in one suitcase. I got all I need to be free. Back it all away, back it all in one suitcase. I got all I need to be free. Back it all away, back it all in one suitcase. I got all I need, I'm falling. I'm talking to you. We got things to do. We got plans to make. And I wanna take you with me. Yeah, I wanna take you with me. But a far off gaze is the one in me. Can you feel it? And if you can tell, I'm a restless girl. What are you hearing? Back it all away, back it all in one suitcase. I got all I need to be free. Back it all away, back it all in one suitcase. I got all I need to be free. Back it all away, back it all in one suitcase. I got all I need to be free.
What a wonderful singing. Hey, big up yourself, Carry on Brown. Yeah, I like how she hold the notes them a while ago. You know what I mean? Alright, start with the all first judge it. Nero, Malisha.
Alright, so the song choice is not for your voice. The song choice is not for your voice. Because as I said before, if you continue to sing in falsetto, you're going to hurt your throat one time. You understand? Trust me, I tell you, you're going to hurt your throat one time. You're not singing long enough for that happen to you. Right? Alright, so with that said, I like the performance and everything. You understand? I say you have a whole heap of grow because for the first time I see it till now you start to get more comfortable and thing. See? So, I give you an 8 for that still. One thing throw you off for the 10, the song choice. I'm going to show you why I say song choice. Wait.
Alright, thank you, Nero Malisha. Yes, Bruce.
Yeah, so watch you grow week after week. You understand? You remember when you do your interview, you say you have a butterfly. You understand? So me that look for your butterfly same way. The week before you bust way. Last week again, your buzz even bigger. But you kind of tone it down this week. You understand me I say? I think me like the last week carry-on versus the this week carry-on. Your outfit looks stunning. I love it. You understand?
Yeah. Excited.
Yeah. So we have to settle upon an 8. You understand? Alright.
Alright. Thank you for that, Bruce. Yes, alright, am I right? You don't long me see my right over there. Alright, what go on?
Yo, man.
Carry
Yo,
on.
what go on for your fire phone? Yo. Yeah, carry on. Bad singer. You see me? Me see you forward out. Yeah, man, you forward out. I love how your vocals sound here now. You see me? Sound very like you work on it. You get me? I deal with it. I love how you sound here. I deal with it. Like a real singer. We can see the growth and we can hear the growth. You see me? Now, me personally, I don't really know the songs. I don't know the song. You get me? I deal with it. I don't know the song where you sing. You see me? So, but me I try to listen to the words. Some of the words I could hear. I don't know the song, but just I try listen. You see me? Yeah, hit the vocal points, you know. Yeah, hit the keys, but I can't hear some of the words. So probably it could have been better delivered. You over me and this. So with that said, me give a 7. See you, me.
Alright, thank you for that. Alright, General. Carry on, big up yourself. Hey, them say he's a butterfly now. Like you keep on flying. Alright, so 100% talent Jamaica. How you mean? Me I tell you, it's the next level, you know, the artists them move to, you know, the young talent them. We're moving them to another level. You get to me, I say, so big up all the staff of 100% talent Jamaica.